Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Yvonne, the lady with the hammer. Today I'm just going to do a little cleanup. I've been doing squats out in the yard, picking up all the twigs, so my butt is hurting. While I'm cleaning up, I try to make a list of things that I need. Ooh, my delicious paint. This is Heirloom Traditions. It's all in one. So basically you can give your piece a good scrub with a degreaser, and this is it. You just put as many coats on as you want to make it solid, but it's very pigmented. I don't get paid for this, but I'll leave a link in the description. This stuff is absolutely awesome. They even have a waterproof top coat that you can actually paint the tiles in your shower and do top coats to waterproof it. Awesome stuff. Heirloom Traditions. I'll drop a link in the bottom, but it's really awesome stuff. Thought I opened it up enough, but apparently not. That's good. Actually, I got a chair in, so it's a pretty nice chair. But it's got some spots. And I'm not sure if I can take them out with the heat gun. Let's try. Alright, I'm going to try to use the heat gun. See if this helps at all. Might not be a great idea. Might have to go in the trash after this. Yep. Ah, well that's a bummer. Ah, okay. So the only thing else I have is a little bit of gray paint. Now that I made a nice barn hole right there. don't know. I mean, it helps, but yikes. Well, I'm just going to take a couple of pictures and see if anybody wants it. I'll tell them there's a couple of blemishes. Not really much more you can do about it. All right, let's get this posted. Okay, so I took some pictures. See if I can get in here without banging on the camera. I don't know if you guys can see that. I took some pictures. I'm going to crop some of this stuff out. A little chilly in here. And I wish I had I think I have an edit that has a healing tool on it. But I think it's on my phone. See, I'd like to get rid of this on the floor. All right. So once you get your pictures all done, you go into the marketplace. I already have a bunch of ads in draft that I save. So when I'm ready to post stuff, it has all my information in there already. I just got to go in and do the pictures. Oops. Upholstered gray chair. And then I like to go back in and make all your capital letters for the title. Just looks better. And then price, I'm going to say $30, and then, oops. And then I got to go and change. Just put in everything you can think of for the description. I put this is a nice chair, a couple of blemishes that I showed in the photos. I received this chair like this. It looks like there are no rips. Or other stains. Let me know if you have any other questions. Okay. There it is. So that's my listing. You guys let me know if the microphone sounds any different or better. I have these on. He was saying that my mic cut out the other day. I maybe just need to be charged, but I don't know. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet. And don't forget the notification bell will let you know when I put out new videos. I try to do one on every Monday. All right, have a blessed day. Bye now. See you on the next video.